Volkswagen Vento service cost. First service at 10,000 km, rupees 7,334. Second service at 20,000 km, rupees 9,334. Third service at 30,000 km, rupees 7,684. Fourth service at 40,000 km, rupees 13,584. Fifth service at 50,000 km, rupees 7,684. Approximate service cost for Volkswagen Vento in 3 to 5 years, rupees 45,620. Vento engine oil 4,364 rupees. Oil filter 355 rupees. Air filter rupees 400. Spark plug rupees 2000. Coolant filter rupees 750. Automatic transmission oil rupees 4,250. Brake oil 350. Service charge rupees 1,500. These are estimated service cost detail and cost may vary based on location and car condition.